classes of SPSC. I'm your computer science teacher Hera. Beta, today we are starting a new chapter number 2, digital literacy, using the World Wide Web from your textbook Oxford Primary International. Okay, beta, this chapter is basically about the internet. What is World Wide Web? W. Searching the web, improving your web search. Okay, what is the browsing, what is website, what are the web pages. Okay, what we will learn in this chapter: how to find information using a web search, how to spot unsuitable content and behavior on the internet and World Wide Web, how you can report your concern if you see content or behavior that upset you, how can we block the things which are disturbing us. Okay, now students, digital literacy using the World Wide Web. W stand for World Wide Web. Basically, World Wide Web is a great source of information to search the world's informations. Okay, what we needed or how, but we have to stay safe whilst using World Wide Web, means internet. Okay, there are the few sight words that we should know before covering a chapter, which is throughout the chapter will be used, and these are called the terminologies of the internet. Basically, this chapter is about the world of a internet, how we can explore the thing, how we can search the things, what are the websites, how the web pages are linked with the other websites, what is the combination of web pages are called, hyperlink, what are the hyperlink, what are the search engines. Okay, how we can we have internet connection, we have a laptop or a cell phone or a tablet, how we can use them, how we can explore the world, the information which is available on the internet, and we have to access them, we have to download them, we have to save them. We will learn how we will explore the things, okay, in this way. Now 2.1 about the World Wide Web. What is the World Wide Web? I told you W stand for World Wide Web, and the web is a great source of information if you use it in a right way. But the thing is this, beta, we have to use this information in a very right way. It will not hurt us morally, okay, and spiritually. There are lots of information available on the net related to your schools, related to your homes, okay, care, health, like medicines, medical information available, like information about the food, about the restaurants, about the music, about the latest books, videos. Each and everything will be available on the net, but we have to draw our lines, we have to draw our margins, that where from where we have to start and from where we have to end our search. Okay, we have to live between these lines, this border line, this margin lines. Okay, so we will not exceed our spiritually and moral values. Okay, now what is a web page? Web page, the information on the web is called a web page, and web page contain information about a single topic. Okay, a web page might be about your favorite singers or topic you are studying at school. A web page can contain text, images, videos, source, and information in animations. Animation basically is a combination of sounds and cartoons, okay, and the movements of those cartoons, basically graphics. Okay, web page is a single page, just like a single page. 2.1 is a single page. If I combine 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, but it will make a chapter 2. It's make a website. Okay, combination of different pages, collection of different pages is called a website, and a single page is called a web page. And single page always contain the information about a single topic. Like this is contain about the W information. Okay, what is web page, web links, and website. All the information is about the websites. Okay, and it contains different information like the text, like the animations, like the videos, like the sounds. These are called the media information. Okay, these are the media information, and the combination of different media is called a multimedia. Okay, multi stand for multimedia. It's a different medium, like text, like animations, like videos, like images, like sounds. Okay, and the combination of these files is called a multimedia. Okay, what is a web link? Okay, every web page contain a web link. Web link is basically a link, can be a word, it can be a word, or it can be a picture or a button. When we click on it, we will go to some other page. Basically they're interconnected. Okay, they may be in the form of the blue and sometimes underlines. Okay, when we click them, the color of the text will be changed and we will go move to the other web page. Okay, with the help of this web link. Is it clear, beta? And they are the very special type of you can say the links and the pages that one web page contain numbers of websites links. Okay, we just click on them and we go to there. Okay, without moving from our chair. Okay, we can explore the world in this way. That's just like clicking on the different buttons, images, links. Okay. Okay, what is a website? I told you that web page are kept together on a websites. Okay, like book in pages in a like pages in a book. Website is owned by a person or organization, just like your www.spsc.edu.pk. It's a website of the Springfield Public School and it is owned by the Springfield Public School and Colleges. Okay, and it's an educational website. Edu stand for education, and PK stand for Pakistan. This is a website of Pakistan, and it is basically owned by some educational institutes. Okay, website is always owned by some body. It may be government body, it may be a private organizations, or it may be some educational institutes. Okay, news channels also have a website, www.gov.pk. okay, like this. TV channels have a different website, like PTV have their websites. Okay, so in this way we explore the information related to that organization. Single page web page is contain always information about the single topic, and the combination of different web pages is called a websites. Okay, now browsing the information, how we will browse the information. Browser is basically a small application which is specially designed for accessing the web pages and websites which is available on the internet. If we have internet connections, if we have an electronic device like smartphone, tablets, or like laptops or desktop computer, but we don't have a browser, we can't browse the information, we can't get access to them, because it's a special application which transferred our query, our questions into computer understandable mode and access them. Okay, with the help of the browsers. Now students, I will told you some web browsers like Google Chrome, like Firefox, Mozilla, Internet Explorer. These are all the web browsers, and everyone have maybe a different web browsers. Okay, at their homes. It's a special application to browse the internet, and the application is called a web browsers. Okay, some popular web browsers are Internet Explorer, Firefox, Google Chrome, Mozilla. Okay, and basically what we do, we explore the world. Browsing means we are searching things. Okay, we are going from one website to other websites. They are hyperlinks. Okay, they are interlinked with each other with the help of the different buttons with the links. Okay, now 2.2 is searching the web. Basically what we are doing, we are searching the web. How we will search the web? We search the web with the help of the search engine. Search engine is a good way to find information. The search engine look at your questions and provide you a list of web pages. Okay, basically there is always a search engine. Search engine means engine which search our query, our questions. Okay, related to the website which are available on the internet. What we do, a human made a website and upload them. Upload means we save our website, our information on a central location. Okay, and whatever, when we ever need a person need the information related to their assignment, related to their task, they just enter a query, simple query in a search engine. Okay, and they will find the numbers of web pages. Okay, related to the query. I will enter my query in this bar. This is called a search bar. Okay, and then I will press the go button or search button. Different search engines have different buttons with a different name. There are numbers of search engines like ask.com, Google. Okay, Google is also a search engine. Yahoo is also a search engine. There are numbers of search engines through which can search our information. Search engines, okay, they are basically connected with numbers of websites on the back end. and they will show you the list of information related to the website. We just enter a word and they will show the numbers of website, list of the web pages, websites which is related to that query or the questions. Okay, now how we tip for searching the web, how we can search the web. Use a short clear sentence. Beta, first of all you have to use what you want. First you have to think what you want to search. It is called a keyword. Okay, no need to write a full questions related to your query. Okay, always use a short word or a keyword which is describe your query. Like I want to search about the animals. Okay, maybe about the bears, about the deers, about jackal, about tigers, leopard. What we will do, I will just write leopard word or tiger word or a deer or whatever, or a special species of that animal. What will do, I am searching, I am basically narrowing my search. Okay, narrowing search means I am just using the keyword which is explaining my query, which is explaining what I exactly want. In this way I will get the exact correct web pages, web sites related to the query. A web search question is not like a question you ask in the conversation. Okay, it is not just like I want to know about the deer. Okay, I want to know about the tigers, what they like, what they eat, what they how they behave. Okay, I will just use a small keyword. In this way I will know each and everything about the jackal, about the tigers, about the deers, about the animals. Maybe it's a parrot, whatever it's search about it. Okay, you have always we have always use a keyword, a small word which describe our query. Okay, like I will give you an example. In a conversation you might ask who hold the world record in the 100 meters for women. Okay, I will just write a small word. Okay, record of 100 meters for women. They will explain, they will tell me the exact name of that lady. Okay, don't need to write exactly the whole questions. Okay, now what you have to do, beta, there's an activity which on page number 24 you have to do it by your own self. Okay, which is related to this topic. Now come to the point 2, that think about the best order for your keyword. Number 1 was use a short clear word. Okay, that short clear one means okay, we use a small keyword which explain, which tell us about our query. Now point 2 is think about the best order for your keyword. How we can arrange our keyword in such a way that they will explain what we really want to explore. The important keyword should come first, like the word jackal should come near the start of your search. Like I want to know about the jackal, about the type of a tiger. Okay, how we can use, don't need to use punctuation marks or a shorter word, comma words. Okay, if I'm writing inverted commas, okay, if I'm writing someone in inverted commas in double quotes, it's mean that I want exactly the same word. Okay, wherever this word is used, this website will be show on the screen. Okay, but if I'm not using the inverted commas, okay, or you can say I'm not writing the code words. Okay, so whatever the topic is related about the jackpot, about the tiger, they will display on it. They may be not exactly related to them, but they will give us the information about the similar words. Okay, just like if I write pizza. Okay, if I like a word enter pizza, all the information related to the pizza will be displayed. If I write in commas that pizza, recipe of a pizza, vegetarian pizza information. Okay, about like I will give you an example. Just like I want to know about the pizza recipes. If I write just the pizza, okay, they will show all their informations like vegetarian, meat related pizzas. But if I just like vegetarian pizza in commas, okay, what will do, they will show the all the informations related to the vegetarian pizza. Now they will not show the recipes of pizzas in which chicken, meat, like other types of meat, fish, or maybe you can beef will be used. Okay, they will show just as the vegetarian pizza because my query is about the vegetarian pizza. Okay, Okay, 2.3, improving your web page. Improving your web page mean how we can improving your web search means we are improving our web search. How we are improving our web search? Removing item from a search. Like I want to know about the pizza recipe, as I already told, but I want to know about the pizza recipe about the vegetarian. Now in vegetarian I know the recipe of the margherita. What I should do, I will enter the minus sign before the margherita. Okay, it shows that I know this recipe. Please don't include this margherita recipe in the search. Okay, if you find any search which is containing the margherita recipe, please don't show it in my result. Okay, show the recipes except the margherita. In this way I am refining my web search, or I am improving my search, removing the item from the search. It means that I am removing the margherita recipe from the vegetarian pizza recipes. Okay, in this way all the recipes related to the vegetarian except the margherita will be shown on the screens. Okay, now search for the book and music. I told you that the computers that the internet contain lots of information about the books, about the musics, about the animals, whatever we want to show. Okay, what we want to learn. I already told that if we write double quotes, it's mean that same to same word will be shown in my search engine. Okay, the tiger who came to the tea. Now it's in double quotes. Okay, it's mean that if a song I'm searching the song which contain the same words, the tiger who came to the tea means a song which contain the same words, please show on the my search in results. If the same word will not come in the music, or maybe in a book title, or maybe in a web in a chapter, that will not display any search. It will not display any results on the page. Okay, if I'm writing like I'm not confirm that these are the same words, I will use like static. Okay, static, you get this star. It's mean that if I'm not sure, that it's mean that I'm using the static. Okay, it's mean that if there are any word related to this like the tigers or the tea, please display it in my results. Okay, when we are not sure, then we use the static. When we are sure that this is the exact title of a song or the title of a book, then we use the double quotes. Okay, quote marks. Is it clear? Double quotes mean exact the text we want to search. Okay, and if we use statics means I'm not sure about the words. It's maybe the sequence of the word may be change. Okay, but show me the search related to this query. Okay, in this way we do our searching when we are confirmed, when we are not confirmed. But in the both way we will find the numbers of the result, numbers of the books, numbers of the musics, numbers of the information which maybe we don't know. Okay, in this way we explore the things. Sometimes we don't know that these things can be related to our search, related to our information, and we start typing the strings. This is called basically string. Okay, search query or a string. In this way we explore the things that these things can be also come in my in my assignment. This thing can increase my information. In this way we know the different things which may be not in our mind. Okay, now beta, your activity number 1 is what do you use the internet for? Write down some uses of the internet. I told you in the start of the chapter what is the internet, why we use the internet, what are the advantages of the internet. Okay, activity number 2, answer the following question: what is a web page, what is a web link, what is a website, what is a web browser, what are the keywords used for. Okay, now student, please complete your assignment before your time and send us to us. And thank you so much. Stay at your home and stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.